Namaskar. This is Bino from AC Chats. Welcome to our channel, Kavya. I'm in Chennai today, and I happen to see a very great place. And I understood that the two young guys are working on this. I have Sanjay, and I have Varsha, and they offered me the first dish of the day. What is this? What is this?
I'm Kavya, and so here the dish is one of our bestseller. The unique dish that we do is like an Indo-Mexican dish, where you can have like an jalapeno cheese filling, and the outside is like a samosa pastry, very thin, flaky pastry. You dip it towards the salsa, so you get like a fusion of samosa and jalapeno cheese, dipped on a nice tangy salsa. So definitely try. That's one of our
Tangy
best.
salsa, you do, right?
Yeah, with tangy salsa.
So salsa, just to my audience, how is it salsa?
Salsa's like
I know you're a chef too, so just maybe people can learn from your this. And salsa, do you like to say?
So a salsa basically is, there are many types of version, but it's a Mexican dish where you can say pico de gallo or stuff. But the vegetables are like onions, tomatoes, coriander with like a sauce, or people just put lime and have it. So here we made like our own spicy sriracha sauce along with our salsa.
Okay. So this you serve as a starter.
This we serve as a starter.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.
No
Get a good taste. So Mexican cuisine. Once again, Kavya, what is this?
This is an Indo-Mexican dish, jalapeno and cheese samosa.
Jalapeno and cheese samosa. I think it's a fusion cuisine. You have put up Indian and Mexican. Okay. So this is the salsa you're talking about. Outside, what is it?
It's just like a cheese filling with jalapenos and cheese, and it's like a white sauce based with capsicum.
Great. White sauce. It's done in white sauce.
White sauce and cheese.
Guys, this is super. I'm in Chennai. I'm doing it. Mexican cuisine. Adipoli. Okay. കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്ന് ഇവിടെയൊക്കെ വരുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ വരാം വലിയ എക്സ്പെൻസീവ് ഒന്നുമല്ല ഇറ്റ്സ് നോട്ട് സോ എക്സ്പെൻസീവ് ബട്ട് ഇറ്റ്സ് ഗുഡ് ഫോർ അവർ പോക്കറ്റ് ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി പ്ലേസ് ഡൺ ബൈ ടു യങ്സ്റ്റേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് Kavya is also behind the scene doing he's a head chef here and a junior chef and the CEO also, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great one. Okay, I think Kavya, you should also taste one.
Cheesy, so it drops a lot. It's hot. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. The jalapeno is coming up this. That's a very fusion cuisine with samosas. Your thought process?
Yep.
Well appreciated.
Because the thing is, we can't do anything authentic Mexican without having the ingredients from Mexico, right? Like everything that you have to do have to have ingredients which are locally sourced.
Yeah.
That's why we don't say we're authentic Mexican. We always say we're Indo-Mexican.
Okay. Indo-Mexican.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because we try to make sure that we don't promote something to say authentic Mexican if we don't get the proper ingredients for it. So people who actually know Mexican cuisine and have had it, they know that most of the dishes are not there. But the guacamole, we try to make it as authentic as we can.
Great.
But it has to match with the Indian palate, of course.
So the second dish of the day is guacamole and chips.
Okay.
This is one of our healthier options.
Okay.
So guacamole is made with avocado, which as you know is a superfood.
Okay.
So we take fresh, locally sourced directly from the farm avocados, and we mash it. We put jalapenos, tomatoes, onions, salt to taste, and we mash it and make it into a dip, which looks like this. And usually some people squeeze a lime over the top, and then they have it with the chips. The chips also are made in-house, so we make the chips in-house, put a little bit of salt, and it's a very nice and refreshing snack to have.
Oh, great. It's again after the starter we normally. It's a starter or?
It's a starter, or you can just have it for the table as such.
Table as such.
If there are multiple people, it's like a table of 4 or 6 people, all of them can have a little bit of
Okay.
while they wait for their main course.
All right. Great. So I can promote through my channel. This is that you promote Mexican cuisine. Is that right?
Sure. Yeah, we do Mexican and Italian.
Italian.
Yeah.
Okay. That's why the pizza is that you order pizza for. And you have something pizza. You were saying that you have some fast-moving pizza. What pizza
Yeah,
is
so
this?
this is one of our best sellers.
Uh-huh.
So this is called the Desi pizza.
Desi
so we
pizza.
realized that there's a lack of Indian flavored pizzas in the market. So we use this as a homage to that. So we do a paneer makhani pizza. Why? That's what we call a Desi pizza.
Acha,
So a lot of people like it because it is very flavorful and is very compatible with the Indian palate.
Oh, okay. So
So-
that's only Indian palate pizza you're doing, or you have something else? More?
No, this is the only Indian palate pizza we're doing. We also have another pizza called the fresh bocconcini pizza, where we don't use any processed mozzarella. So we use fresh bocconcini cheese,
Okay.
which is also made in-house. So that is very light, very subtle, very authentic Italian.
All right, great, great. Thank you.